Welcome to our guide on using Expert Option. Let's explore its key features and how to make deposits and withdrawals. First, let's create your Expert Option account. Visit their website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and verify your email. Now, let's navigate to the deposit section. You can find it easily on your dashboard once logged in. Expert Option supports multiple payment methods for deposits. These include credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller. To make a deposit, choose your preferred method, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. It's that easy. Always ensure your connection is secure, use strong passwords, and keep your account information private for faster transactions. To withdraw your funds, go to the withdrawal section on your profile. It's user-friendly and straightforward. It's important to understand the withdrawal process. Ensure you meet all the requirements and have verified your identity. To request a withdrawal, fill out the required form, choosing your preferred method of fund transfer and confirming your request. If you face any issues, common solutions include checking your payment method, ensuring account verification, and reaching out to support.